our channel!
Hello and welcome to FemMNY. Good to see you here. If you want to know how I made this very affordable, very easy to make balloon stand, please stick around and I will show you how. So all the materials is from Dollar Tree store. We start off with the stand right here. The stick that we use is actually a mop, okay, from the dollar store. And this one is actually a paper towel holder. We'll start off with the mop. So all you need to do is unscrew this, and there goes your stick. We don't need this. We have the plate. This is plastic. As I said, it comes in two, so I already used the first one. By the way, if you're new to this channel and if you're not subscribed as of yet, please subscribe to our channel. It helps our channel grow. I will take this off as well, unscrew, and we don't need that as well. So now we'll flip this. This is perfect if you have like a client and you don't need to wait, you know, just send it with the balloon and that's it. Leave it and forget it. Okay, so with that said, we'll be using our glue gun. So this is a high and low temperature, but this time I will set it to high. So all you need to do is put this on here, center it, and then just pull some glue using your glue gun. There you go, I put some glue right there, just let it dry. Now we're ready to put this on here. Again, you want to center this one, and then same thing, you use your glue gun. And I'll put some on here as well. Again, we'll let it dry. So I'll put one in the center here as well so it's more sturdier. And I'll wrap this around. And as I said, just let it dry, and there you go. This is it. This is your DIY balloon stand. It's really easy to make, affordable. You can use this as your balloon stand, just like that, and then you can put it right here. This is just a sample, so just like that, and then you can stack it up here, and there goes your balloon stand. So please stick around for our comments of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, this is FemMNY. Take care and have a wonderful day. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!